to cook up another instrumental. You ought to give me 2 thumbs up just for this intro.
It's Bigg Vic TV.
Hey, welcome to my world.
What's up, guys? It's your man Bigg Vic, and I am back in the building with a brand new video. And today what I'm doing is looking over some throwback production that I created in Reason back in 2015. So I think that might have been like Reason 9 or something. I think it was Reason 9. Anyway, I'm gonna go through some of these tracks, man, let y'all kind of just look over my shoulder. I just want to see where I was at back then with production. I know all of the tracks are not finished. They're basically beats I made that are loops. But I kind of just want to see what zone I was in when I made the beats. And guess y'all guys can drop them comments below and let me know what you guys think. I think I still got some heat in the 2015 treasure chest somewhere. So let's check them out. First one. Let's see what it sounds like. I think that one was pretty slick. So let's find another one. Let's find another one. That one was called Mella, like 2015. I don't even know if this was Reason 9 or not. I don't know. What about this? I probably don't have all the instruments for a lot of these beats, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna see if it pops up. Let's see what we got, y'all. Cake Love. What's this about? Cake Love. I don't think like I got vocals on it. Oh. Let's see what this is. What's this? Oh, it's still loading. Let me let it finish loading. I just noticed. It's still loading up, y'all. Let's put the delay compensation on. Let's see what this track is about. I know it's been a second since I dropped a video, but I'm back, y'all. I'm back.
If I get ran around, she ain't gonna be down no more.
trying to get his singing on. Snuck that track in on y'all right there. All right, that one was tight. I think that was pretty tight. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments. Let me know in the comment section. Let's see what this Swervy is. Let's see what Swervy 2 is talking about. Am I the only one that be naming my tracks like weird names? I'm probably not. All producers name their tracks like crazy names. Whatever we thinking at the time, we just name the track that. A lot of times it don't have nothing to do with the vibe of the track. I don't know. Let's go back to resume that. All right, let's see what this is, y'all. Next track. Let's go to open. What we got? Let's see what hip 2 is. Hip 2. Let's close this one out. Close Swervy out. Bring this back up. See what this is. Okay. I like that. See what else we got. It's not sounding too bad, y'all. So far, I think so good. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know what y'all think. And I hope this is recording too, because I'm gonna be tripping if it's not. Okay. Alright, Bigg Vic, I hear you. See where you was at. It's 2015, y'all. Let's see. Melodic feel. Let's see what this is. Let's see what melodic feel is. Oh, I'm missing something in here. Missing some samples, so this may not play for us. Cause we missing something. Uh-oh. Got too much going on in here. too much. That's too heavy. That's too heavy right there. So let's see. Head pound. What's head pound? Bigg Vic, what's head pound? I don't know, but we about to find out. Don't even look like I had a lot of instruments in this track. Let's move this hog of a track. Pull this one up.
Every man 40.
Okay. I hear that. This one has samples in it.
Every man for self. Every man for self.
Okay, I remember that track. I did that one on right here on YouTube. Let's go to another track. Foxy 41. I don't know if I played this one already or not. I don't think I did. Am I missing anything in here? Let's see. Come on. I need another computer. This one is getting on my nerves. I'm running off an external hard drive. The whole system is running off an external hard drive. Okay. Let's see what else is here. Film track. Let's see what film track is. Let's see what the film track. Oh man, I'm missing a lot of samples in this one. Let me close this one behind here out. Film track. The drums are not even playing in that one. Let's go to the next thing. I got a 2011 stash in there somewhere. Oh, I see the custom 808 in there. Shout out to the Bigg Vic custom 808. Let's put this delay conversation on. Let's see. Oh, it's an R&B. Okay. I hear you. What else is it? All right, so we switched to 16 dope 1. This is gonna be the last one I play for now. Then I think I'll do another video at a later date. Just rolling through some more old Bigg Vic joints. So let's see what we got, y'all. Nope, not the same thing. I think I had two different tracks going here. Alright, a little something, just a little something. Do y'all ever like make a track in Reason, start muting stuff, and end up making a new track on top of the stuff that's muted? Then you end up deleting the stuff that's muted and keeping the new stuff that you created? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. It's a producer thing. But anyway, man, I hope y'all enjoyed them throwback Bigg Vic Reason production beats. If you like this video, make sure you thumbs it up. I'm gonna do more videos similar to this one. Make sure y'all are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, we're just checking out some throwbacks today. I will be coming back with more videos, so make sure you stay tuned. It's your man Bigg Vic. Always hustle, never stop growing, and I will see you all in my next video. One love.